Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing the Benq Screenbar Plus, which was kindly sent to me from Benq to check out. It's this really cool desk lamp, which you mount on top of your monitor and you save a lot of desk space since you don't have to have a normal lamp. The unboxing experience feels really high quality and really nice. Inside the box we get a quick start guide. Then there is the control wheel, which you use to control the light intensity, so the brightness, and then you can also control if you want the light to be warm or cold. There's also an auto tune feature which sets it automatically, but honestly from my experience it's not the best. Something that's really nice to see is we have USB-C here. I was honestly surprised to see this because I wouldn't, like most electronics just come with like micro USB or mini USB, so this is really good. Then there's this counterweight, which you use when you mount it on top of your monitor. So basically you clip the bar inside this thing and then the weight balances it on top of your monitor edge. It works really well, and honestly I never had any issues with the screen bar falling off. And then lastly, but of course most importantly, we have the Screenbar Plus itself. I'm not exactly sure what's the difference between the normal Screenbar and the Screenbar Plus. I know the controls are different, but I'm not sure if the light itself is any different. It's in this nice aluminum chassis or cover or whatever. It feels really good, really nice quality. It has the USB-C I mentioned before. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to clip it in. I think I'm actually doing it wrong. So like, don't follow my lead on this one. Check the manual. I'm definitely doing it wrong now. I actually recorded this video a while back, so it has been a while since I'm doing this voiceover. So yeah, I really was doing it wrong at the start, but yeah, I guess this is how you actually do it now. Just clip it in so that there is access to the USB-C from the other side. And yeah, this is how it looks kind of assembled, still without the cable though. So that's all that you get in the box. There is nothing else here. And yeah, I would say it's a very simple unboxing experience and you get everything you need. There is no extra fluff, and the box itself, honestly I really like the design they put on there. Like you can see, like it's like see-through on the picture, so you can see the circuits, I guess. It's a cool design. I enjoy what they did there. So when it comes to mounting it on your screen, so this is my screen. It's a 28-inch Philips screen with like a pronounced bezel on top. Like it's like there is like a sharp edge to it, so it's kind of easy to mount. I plugged in the USB-C and I'm gonna put it on top of the monitor. I would say it fits my monitor very well, but for some other monitors it could be worse. Maybe if you have a curved screen, it might not be ideal, but for normal ones it fits perfect. For mine it doesn't even protrude into the screen or anything, and it has like really thin bezels, so I'm sure yours, like other monitors, will be fine. Unless you have like really tiny bezels, then it might like get a bit annoying, but I don't think that's gonna be the case for most people. Once you clamp it in under properly, it's very solid, it doesn't move around. Then you need to plug it in, and one thing I noticed about this, I learned, is you cannot just plug it into a USB hub. You have to go to the source of a USB, so you either plug it right into your laptop USB, or you can use an external power brick for it, which is what I do now. And it's kind of better since you don't have to have your computer running for you to use it. You can turn it a bit while it's mounted, so you can change the way it projects light, which is kind of good. The nice thing about it is it doesn't project light onto your screen, so there is not much glare on your screen. It doesn't look like that now when I turned it on, but it's actually really well done. So it just illuminates your desk, and that helps with eye fatigue since you're in like a brighter environment. You can see me here changing the brightness and then probably the warmth or like the cold. This was me turning on the auto setting feature, which I don't think is that good. And just me playing around with it. I'm gonna show you a clip of me actually like properly setting it up in a bit. So this is what my setup roughly looked like at the time of filming with this, with the desk illuminated by the bar. And here you can see me change the warmth, coolness of the light, and then also the brightness. So this is how my desk currently looks like. This is with all the lights in my room turned off and just the light illuminating the whole desk. And this is with a bit more light in my room from the LED lights. I love the dramatic lighting situation it creates for my setup. I would say this screen bar is a really cool addition to everyone's setup. It's a bit on the pricey side, so definitely consider if it's something you actually need, but I would definitely recommend it as I really love mine.